If anyone is present, can you make any of the cat toys light up? Edward Berry, Marcus Leonard, James Riley, the unknown person who apparently wants me to leave all the time. Anyone at all. If you want me to leave right now, please turn on the cat. Oh my God! Oh my God! It turned on. They want me to leave, apparently. They want me to leave. They want me to leave. All right, if that was you, can you please light it up again? You really want me to leave that much? Oh my God. Okay. It's hard to show, but it is lighting up. All right. Apparently, everyone, I've overstayed my welcome here, and I am leaving the Civil War soldiers to their peace. Thank you again for serving, everybody. Can you make it light up one more time before I run away? No. If you're that exasperated with me, can you make it light up?